Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is my birthday, cozy day at home, so I hope you guys enjoy. Bedroom all tidied, ready for my birthday. Got these perfumes for my birthday. These are from Nathan and my mother-in-law. These are the TikTok perfumes and they're the Dubai ones, and they smell absolutely incredible. I've had a shower, got changed into my pyjamas, that's how I'm staying, and I'm going to make these Kinder Bueno roll things for later on. We've got the family coming around and we're gonna have Chinese as well.
till time. You move like water and taste like wine. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. Gentle hands, gold-lit eyes. I am a man made of borrowed time. You're holier than I am, holier than I am. I am the dust, you are the rain. You pull me close, I push.
I know.
No, camel play.
Oh, you put where you wish. I don't care where everyone puts
Sorry,
their.
Shiny. There's no point to it really though.
I'm full. If your body don't digest.
It's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
I swear I love